Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make this kind of ring. So yeah, if you like what you see here, if you just follow this instructions, you'll be able to design this kind of design ring. Yeah, let's get started. So it's basically this ring, right? So we're gonna go ahead and actually delete all this, and I'm gonna start from the beginning. All right, so delete that. um, so now we can start by the ring rail. Size should be approximately size 7, and then we're gonna get a 1 carat diamond. uh, you can try this in different kind of gemstones or the different kind of diamonds, like round, oval, cushion, but we'll go to the default. We're gonna start with round, 6.5. Okay, so from here, when this thing shows up, when the gem shows up, just pull this up, using your gumball, just put it up. Okay, approximately it's gonna be above the ring rail, about 1.2 above the ring rail. Okay, so now we can go ahead and start with the head builder. We're gonna do a 6-prong head builder. Okay, so from here, what you want to do is just adjust this, taper it. All right, angle this top angle right here by 15%. Let's say negative 15%. Okay, so prong size will be about 1 carat. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and adjust this a little bit more. I hope this video should just last about less than 10 minutes. I mean, I try to make it really fast. If I'm being fast for you guys, just try to pause the video and just hopefully you can follow along. Right. Okay, this is 6-prong. You can make it 4 prongs, but right now I'm gonna use 6-prong for this center stone. So go ahead and press enter on that, and what we want to do is save along the way. When you're designing, you want to save the project, so that way when your program crash or something happen, your power goes up, you still have that design. All right. So from here, what you want to do is cut this rail. We're gonna cut this in half. Okay, so from mid here and then mid here. All right, so now we have the half rail. Okay, so we're just gonna delete this one, and then we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this by rebuild by 7 points and then 3 degrees. Press OK, and then from here, what you want to do is adjust these points. Go to the side view, excuse me, side view, and then adjust these points slowly. Adjust it a little bit to the right. All right, look at it from the side view, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the right, a little bit to the right. All right, so now these are rail. All right, this looks good to me. Maybe a little bit more. All right. And then now look at it from the top view. We're gonna go ahead and rotate copy from our center, going this way. All right, then we're gonna join them. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put a profile placer on this. We're gonna use this profile right here, and then we're gonna make this 1.5 by 1.5. Alright, and then we're gonna press add on the right side, and then we're gonna make this a little bit higher over here, and then add again. It goes up all the way right here. And what we want want to do here, we wanted this to be tapered going up, so make this really thin by 1 millimeter, and make this about 1.8, like so. And then once you see it's good, press enter and then save again. All right, we're gonna save this file. So now what we want to do is sweep this. Okay, sweep one from here to here to here. Okay, we're gonna just look at the arrow, make sure they're all lined up, pointing in the same direction. All right, there you go. So now we have this rail with the shank on it, just a little bit of, and then we're gonna put this, we're gonna put a profile cap on this, maybe 1 millimeter. Make sure they touch in there. Okay, and then join this. All right, now we're gonna rotate copy again on this, go all the way over here. There you go. There we go. So now we have that. Not bad, right? Not bad. Not a bad start. Remember, if you want to change how they look, just adjust your profile a little bit. But to me, this looks good to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and save this again. All right. So now we're gonna try to make that leaf, right? What is that leaf? So what we can do is we can pull out a just a 1 millimeter stone right here. Let's see, where's that 1 millimeter stone? Okay, because what we want to do is we're gonna go ahead and try and make a copy of this again. Just copy that, and then what we want to do is we're going to go to marquee, and we want to select the smallest one, marquee, right here. There you go. And if you created a let's pull this up. If you create a bezel, there you go. And this basically, this marquee is just a guide. Basically, we want to hide that, and there you go. We have this bezel, but this bezel is going to be the leaf for our design. So we just want to make this about approximately 1.4. This one looks good. Okay, and then now what we want to do is we're gonna try to fillet this edge right here by 0.4, so they are rounded. There you go. And then we're gonna put a prong on this. There you go. We're gonna put 2 prong on the side, and then we're gonna put we're gonna extract a line here and then do a mill grain. Alright, remember, if I'm going too fast, try to pause the video and just follow along. Try to make this really quick for so that way you don't stay there for too long, and you know, I don't want this to get boring for you guys. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and join that, mirror it, join this again. Okay, so there you go. We're gonna put this in the same color, and then we're gonna group them. You can type group. Alright, so that way when you click it, it's just one. Alright, so now what we want to do is put this in the center back again. We're gonna put this in the center. Alright, rotate it, look at it from through view. Alright, so this is what we're gonna use for our leaf design. Alright, so you just adjust it, see how it looks. Mirror on the other side. Okay, adjust it. There you go. Pull this up, rotate it. There you go. Alright, so we're just gonna copy this over here. Okay, rotate, copy from our center, copy. There we go. And then from here you just adjust this on how you want this to look. Alright, It's um, very simple adjustment. Pull this up. Okay. All right. Adjust this a little bit more over here. Oh, if you're wondering how this one will go, we can get another rail size 7, right? And then what you want to do is ungroup and then pull this to the rail, every single one of them, so that way they go along the rail. Okay, so now let's go back here, add this a little bit more. Okay, here we go, this side. It's looking good, so now we just adjust this too. Alright, adjust it here to here. Okay, and then the last two over here, just put them up, adjust it. Okay, there you go. That's not too bad. Yeah, try to see it from your view. There you go. It's not too bad, right? So what we want to do, we just rotate copy this, right click on your rotate copy, press 4 all the way to the other side, and there you go. We now have this beautiful thin vines leaf design. They're real simple design, but they look really nice. It looks really good. Okay, if you find this a little bit too sharp, so you can always do fillet by 0.2 and then just fillet all of them, the under prongs. So we're gonna go ahead and save this. Yeah, that's basically how I make them. It's very simple. um, Hopefully you can learn something from this, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe if you want to learn more. Yeah, peace out guys, good luck.